My dear students, this is Uttam Dev from JNB Hailakandi, Assam. Today we will learn fund-based accounting in not-for-profit organization. All of you aware about the not-for-profit organizations. These are nothing but school, hospitals, club, so and so. So these organizations are maintaining funds for their specific purpose. Now these funds we have learned in class 11 reserve. That reserve is created out of profit and which was not distributed among the owners or among the owner or partners. This amount kept into the business, this out of profit to meet the specific purpose, then it will be known as specific reserve. This amount is kept to meet the future uncertainties, is known as general fund or general reserve. Similarly, not-for-profit organizations maintain some fund for specific purpose. This fund is nothing but liability, with shown into the balance sheet liability side. Suppose our club or our school want to construct a building. For building, it's required huge amount. Now club started creating fund. That fund will be known as building fund, and it will be shown into the balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side. Funds are created by the NPO, that is not-for-profit organizations. This amount created or fund created out of surplus or amount received from outside. Generally, these funds are created for specific purpose. Just I told, suppose building fund. So that building fund will be shown that whatever money received from outside, it will not be treated as revenue received. It will be treated as capital received, capital income. So any amount received for construction of asset is known as capital receipt. So it will be shown into the balance sheet liability side, not income side of income and expenditure account. As nature is capital nature. See, the fund created for building, so it will be shown into the balance sheet liability side. Now suppose amount 1 lakh rupees received from outside for building. Are getting 1 lakh rupees. We will show as a capital receipt in the balance sheet liability side. Clear? As it is capital receipt. Now this amount will not remain in the club as in form of cash. It will be invested outside the club. Nothing but investment will made in securities or anywhere investment will made, and that amount invested will be shown into the asset side, building fund investment. Suppose building fund. Then suppose building amount received for building fund, we will show the capital receipt. Suppose 1 lakh. Clear? And that amount we will not give into the business as a cash or a bank balance. It will be kept outside of the club as it will be known as building investment fund. Here, building fund investment. It will be known as building fund investment. 1 lakh. Are you getting? This is the concept. Amount received, cash receipt, in decision payment side, building amount के लिए 1 लाख रुपया मिला है गवर्नमेंट से सब. So that will be known as building fund 1 lakh, and that amount invested in securities. Suppose in the stock market or in anywhere. So investment will be known as our government securities. It will be known as building investment, building fund investment. Suppose at the rate of 10% we have invested. At the rate of 10% per annum we have invested. We are getting 10% interest. Suppose every year. Then if suppose we are earning, club is earning 10% interest on 1 lakh, that is income, and this income will not go to the income expenditure, it will be added to the building fund. Are you getting? In next session or at the next time, or if after 1 year, the next balance sheet, this income will be added to the building fund. And suppose building construction started. Suppose building construction started, then the expenditure will occur. Whatever expenditure occurred, it will be deducted from the building fund. So expenditure occurred in respect of building, it will be deducted from building fund, and any income from same investment will be added to the building fund. And that process is known as fund-based accounting. That process is known as fund-based accounting. Okay, this is the meaning. Now let's start one problem from my dear student. You see illustration 9, page number 28 in your textbook. One problem is given. Show the following information in the financial statement of not-for-profit organization. The items are given: match expenses, amount so large, 16,000. Match fund, the club maintaining one fund, that is called match fund, amount 8,000. Now club received the donation for match fund rupees 5,000. Now when match occurred, the club sold some tickets, where from income earned sale of tickets around 7,000 rupees received. Now you see match fund, that fund is created just to conduct the match. Every year it's happening, but this fund is kept by the club. If any expenses, it will be deducted from. If any income, it will be added to the fund. We have learned it as fund-based accounting. Now see, this is the expenses, match expenses, revenue nature. It will not go to the expenses side. This match expenses will not go to the expenses. It will go to the balance sheet liability side. Clear? Let's start. Match fund we will write into the liability side. Match fund. Inner column amount is 8,000. Club having this fund amount. A match fund 8,000. Now what is the match expenses? 16,000. Match expenses 16,000. See, before match expenses we should add the match donation for match fund. Let us, whatever income and donation, we add all this to in the match fund. Now you see donation received for match amount is 5,000. So it is increased to 13,000. The match fund increased to 13,000. Now you see sale of ticket. Next, sale of ticket. टिकट बेच के कितना आया? 7,000. ये भी मैच रिलेटेड है. इट इनकम विल एडेड टू द मैच फंड. तो सेल ऑफ टिकट, जो टिकट बेच के पैसा आया 7,000, ये बढ़ जाएगा मैच फंड. कितना हो गया? 20,000. नाउ फंड इज इंक्रीज टू 20,000. नाउ यू सी द क्वेश्चन, the match expenses. Now what is the match expense amount? That is now important. 16,000 less, this 60,000 is less than the total fund. Now what is the match expenses? You see the match expense 16,000. So balance 4,000 will remain in the balance sheet liability side as a match fund. This is the treatment. Whatever income, it will increase the fund account, and whatever the expenses occur, it will deduct match expenses. Mind it, जो भी खर्चा हो रहा है वो डिडक्ट हो जाएगा. तो अभी क्या हो रहा है? 4,000 मैच फंड में. नेक्स्ट ईयर दिस 4,000 4,000 will work. future match, in future match. Now this is the, here we are not showing income in the right hand side of income expenditure. We are not showing minus expense in the expenditure account. It is a fund based accounting. All expenses are adjusted, all incomes are added, and all expenses are deducted from fund, specific fund. Its process is known as fund based accounting. Very easy. Now you see, question number A is over. Now second part of question. What will be the effect? Very important. What will be the effect if match expenses go up by 6,000? Earlier match expenses 16,000. Now if it is increased 6,000, then 22,000. It will become 22,000. That is important part, my dear student. खर्चा हो सकता है 22,000 मैच को कराने के लिए हो सकता है. तो 22,000 जब होगा तो क्या होगा परिस्थिति? तो क्या होगा? वेरी सिंपल. यार हम लोग ने 16,000 किया, तो अब हम लोग देखेंगे कितना होता है माइनस करके 22,000 माइनस अगर करेंगे तो क्या होगा? We will get negative figure minus 2,000. That is negative. This 2,000 will not come here. क्या हो गया? ये 2,000 ज्यादा खर्चा हो गया. फंड है 20,000, 22,000 खर्चा हो गया, तो 2,000 ज्यादा खर्चा हो गया. This 2,000 will be shown into the current year expenditure. It will be adjusted from current year income. Clear? So this treatment will go there to match expenses. When expenditure is more than the fund, when expenditure is more than the fund, we are getting fund is 20,000, expenses is more, so it will come to the income expenditure left hand side. If we want to show this picture, here you can show total expenses 22,000, fund, what is the fund? Match fund. मैच फंड कितना है? मैच फंड टोटल 20,000. यू कैन शो विद द ब्रैकेट 8,000 प्लस डोनेशन 5,000 प्लस सेल ऑफ टिकट 7,000, तो टोटल 20,000. So this 2,000 will be adjusted from current year income. If match expenses increase by 6,000, what will happen? The fund balance negative. Fund balance negative. This difference will be adjusted from current year income. That's why it will be shown into the income expenditure account of current year. Is this clear? I hope you are getting. Next, another problem we will solve. Okay, you will get a better idea.